So yeah, I'm currently right here, Sarah. They sell multiple snack, Indonesian traditional snacks. So I bought this. This is called lemper in Bahasa, or you can also say a savory sticky rice snack. So it's basically made square. It made from glutinous rice. I mean sticky rice, and it has chicken on it. So it's like this. Look at that. This is so fulfilling though. So good. I think it's really worth it. Cost you 10K here, but it's really worth it. This is so good. As you can see, a lot of chicken.